Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Ethereum in 2025. So if you also want to buy Ethereum in 2025, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. You can buy Ethereum from various wallets. You can download the application like MoonPay, Bitget, Binance, MetaMask, etc. Here I'm just going to use the MoonPay application. You can download the MoonPay application from Play Store and App Store. Once you install the MoonPay application, open the MoonPay application. Make sure to create an account for yourself. After you create an account, make sure to be logged into your account. Here I'm already logged into my account. Once the MoonPay application is open, you can see over here initially you'll be led to the home interface. From the home interface, you'll be able to buy and sell the crypto. Over here, you'll be able to see the total value. Also, you'll be able to find the option for buy and sell over here. If you want to buy the Ethereum, simply tap on the option buy that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, from here you'll be able to buy the Ethereum. Right now Bitcoin is selected as asset, simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to select the asset. Under popular tokens, you might be able to find the option for Ethereum. All you have to do is tap on it. If you do not find this option, you can also search for it. Now after Ethereum is selected, you'll be able to buy the Ethereum. All you have to do is enter the amount. Simply tap right over here. Now enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. You can also select from the option that is provided to you right over here. You'll also be able to see the conversion amount over here. After you enter the amount, simply tap on the continue option that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to confirm the order. First of all, choose the payment method. Simply tap on the first option, that is payment method, that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to choose the payment method. All the cards that you've added will be displayed over here. All you have to do is tap on the card through which you want to pay. Now MoonPay account will already be selected as the receiving address. If you want to change it, simply tap on it. Now you can add the Ethereum address over here. But if you want the Ethereum to be delivered on your MoonPay account, simply tap on the option MoonPay that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see the amount that you'll be paying over here. All you have to do is tap on the option Pay with Card that you can see on your screen. Now your order will be processed. After a while, you'll be able to receive the Ethereum. So that is how you buy Ethereum in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.